Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my Korean white pickle, which is sweet and sour, and it is really simple to make. And these are the things you will need. You will need half a cup of white vinegar, half cup of white sugar, half cup of lukewarm water, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 600 grams of white radish thinly sliced into circles like this, and you will also need a jar to keep your pickle. So let's go ahead and make this pickle. In a bowl, take half cup of lukewarm water and then add the sugar, salt, and give it a good mix until the sugar is fully dissolved. Use lukewarm water cause lukewarm water helps to dissolve the sugar quickly. So our water is clear now. Now go ahead and add the vinegar and give it a good mix. So it's ready now. Keep this aside and open your jar and then add the sliced radish inside the jar like this. So I've just finished adding the radish inside the jar. Next I'm going to add the sugar mixture inside the jar. Now close the jar. The pickle looks like this once it's done. Now put it inside the fridge for 24 hours. But I highly recommend you guys to leave it inside the fridge for 2 days for best results. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.